How's everyone doing today? Hope everyone is having a great day. In this video, we will install Windows 11 on a bootable flash drive. Please watch my previous video on how to create the bootable installation flash drive. Let's begin. Boot up the USB flash drive and select it and hit the Enter key. Click Next to continue. Click Next to continue. Click Agree, then click Next. Click I don't have a product key. Select your Windows 11 version and click Next. Click Accept to continue. Select the disk partition you will install Windows on it. Don't select the USB flash drive. Click Next. Click Install to proceed. Select I don't have internet. Congratulations! You have successfully installed Windows 11 24H2 with the Rufus bootable flash drive. Now you can connect to your Wi-Fi and internet to download the latest Windows updates and drivers. If you find this video helpful, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.